In this video, I'll show you a simple and quick way to attach a file to a Microsoft Teams meeting invite. This is perfect if you want your attendees to review documents, presentations, or notes before the meeting begins. Sharing files ahead of time helps everyone stay prepared and saves valuable time during the meeting. So let's go through the steps. Start by opening Microsoft Teams or Outlook, depending on where you usually schedule your meetings. Go to the calendar, then click on New Event to create a meeting. Enter your meeting title, date, time, and add the required participants just like you normally would. Next, look for the option to attach a file. In Outlook, you'll see a paperclip icon or an Add Attachments option within the meeting details. Click on it and choose the file you want to share. You can upload a file directly from your computer or select one from your OneDrive. Once the file is attached, it will automatically be available to everyone invited to the meeting. Participants can open or download the file directly from the meeting invite or access it later through the meeting chat. After reviewing your meeting details, click Send. That's it. Your file is now attached to the Microsoft Teams meeting invite, making it easy for everyone to access important materials in advance. And just like that, you've successfully attached a file to a Microsoft Teams meeting invite the easy way. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.